Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will compare Kia Niro versus EV3, which is better. Start by checking your priorities, range needs, charging access, and budget limits. I will explain key specs, comfort differences, and typical ownership costs so you can pick the right car. Pay attention to real-world range, included tech, and warranty coverage, as those matter most when choosing between these two electric compact crossovers. Let's talk performance and range in practical terms. I will describe how battery capacity and driving style change real-world range, and which car gains an advantage in city stop-and-go versus steady highway driving. We will compare acceleration, handling feel, and how regenerative braking impacts one-pedal driving. Also, I will outline typical charging speeds you can expect and how that influences trip planning and convenience for daily routines. If you're enjoying this content, please subscribe and like, it really helps. Quick recommendation: make meal prep easy with leak-proof containers that keep sauces and salads secure during commutes and road trips. They save messes after a long drive. I find them perfect for packing lunches when testing cars. Check the description for the product link and other deals, and if you grab one, I hope you enjoy it. Now let's get back to the video. Now let's cover cost and ownership in simple terms so you know the true price of each choice. I will compare sticker price, potential incentives, and typical maintenance needs. We will discuss warranties, insurance implications, and expected depreciation to estimate total cost over a few years. Thinking about resale value and real ownership surprises helps you avoid unexpected expenses and choose the model that fits your budget.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.